Hey, what's going on? JD here. Have a quick unboxing for you. Doing it a little bit different today, doing it in the office. So what I have for you is the Razer Panthera Arcade Stick Street Fighter V Edition for the PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 3. So you can see we got Ryu and Akuma on there. So we're going to open this up. Jump right in there. Little tab. Pull away. On the side it says, for gamers, by gamers. So I'm just going to pop that open. So nice foam top. Top says, congratulations, there's no turning back, utilizing the tools available to you, which is where our controllers come. Like our gaming products, we've raised the bar by providing you with some of the precision that our mice and keyboards give you. Designed and validated by esports athletes, Razer controllers put you on another level, leaving your opponents sobbing at the bottom of the scoreboards. So I'm just going to pop this out. It looks like a little bit of an instruction manual. So we've got the artwork here. What else do we have? Generally, we've got the instructions. So we're going to yank that out. Take that out of the way. So we've got some nice dense foam here. And we're just going to lift the stick directly out. Slide that away. Pull off the foam ends. And there you have the stick itself. Nice plastic wrap. I'm just gonna undo that. There you go. Welcome to the cult of Razer, it says. Right along here, there's a caution. Just because this is a snap point, there should be a button here. And you can see the nice buttons on the top here. You got 8, you got 2 on the side. And we're just going to do this. That's the best way to do that. We'll just pull it from here. So nice and shiny. You see those slowly pull off. Ooh. Look at those buttons. Beautiful. And then of course on top we've got PlayStation adapter for 3 or 4, lock, unlock, left stick, right stick, so invertible. You got L3 and R3, you've got the little touchpad as well. So first impressions, nice, heavy, solid stick. It's got a good click and all there. The buttons, nice sanwa buttons. Of course, you can press the button on the front and open the content completely. So nice thing you can see is all the buttons are modifiable. You can get right in there, you can change the stick, you can change the collars. They look fairly easy to essentially pop out. They will just be the clips there, so if you just press, it'll come straight out. Easy to replace, click right in. Beautiful. So that's a quick unboxing of the Razer Panthera Street Fighter Evo Edition
Arcade Stick.